Hey guys, thank you so much for choosing my channel. A Sunny Beauty here, and today's video is going to be over the Ipsy Glam Bag. Want to go ahead and get started and jump right into it. This is actually the Glam Bag Plus, where you actually get 5 full-size products for $25. I decided to give it a try for 1 month to see how it goes, and this is kind of what I got. So let's get started digging into the Glam Bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, to see if it's actually worth the $25. So let's see what we got here. Let's dig in. Okay, the first thing we got here is liquid eyeliner from Eyeko. This is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner plus Wide Lash. Actually a fan of Eyeko. If you are an Ipsy Glam Bag subscriber, you do get a lot of Eyeko products. And I actually like the brand. This is actually a pretty awesome liner. Let me pull it open for you. So this is the tip here. Alright, and then I'm just going to swatch it for you to let you see how precise it is. So that's the line. Isn't that pretty black, huh? So this is a nice full-size eyeliner that you can make your wing or your cat eyeliner, or just your basic eyeliner. I like this full size. Definitely have been getting some use out of it. So that's the first product. So I give that an A+, which is the Eyeko Black Magic Eyeliner. The next thing they have in here is an eyeshadow palette. And if you know anything about me, I absolutely love eyeshadow. I to die for an eyeshadow palette. And this one's kind of unique to me. This is the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. And this is out of Berlin, Germany. It's called the Nomad palette, and this is it right here. Looks like it has a pretty awesome color layout to it. I definitely see some shades in here that I can use. I'll probably do a video on it down the line since I'm back in the groove of making videos. I definitely like this shade right here, Oranian Straub here. This shade right here is very pretty. I like that. I'll swatch it out for you. So I'll go over it and give an honest review in it to see if we got some color payout there. And let's see, let me pull up what's another shade in here. Let's try this purple, this Love Parade. Actually, this is a nice neutral tone here. Let's try this Love Parade. So, whoa. That's kind of dark, right? That's giving us something. Let's swatch it out. Ooh, yeah. That's a purple for you right there. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh, let's try this Hansa color right here. What about that one? I'm going to try this turquoise one. It's matte. These look at that. That's giving us something right there too. Look at that. That purple and that gold is doing something for me. Let me swatch that out. Okay. Nice. I like that. So those are 3 nice colors out of the Nomad Cosmetics Intense Eyeshadow Palette in Berlin Untergrund. So it's a full-size eyeshadow palette. Comes with a mirror. No brush, but I guess that's okay. No brush. But here it is. I'll definitely do a review on it with this purple and gold. I like it, so I'll definitely create a look for you guys coming up. Okay. So let's see, what else do we have in the bag? the next thing here is from Disco Kitten, and this is another Asian beauty product here. Okay, I'll actually be able to do a review on Asian skincare in a couple of more videos. I'll be able to do a full series on it. I actually have a konjac exfoliating sponge video that I'm going to put up. Then I have a Korean sheet mask video that I'm going to put up. And then the next one will be this illuminating diamond peel off mask from I Do Care Disco Kitten. And I haven't tried this yet, but I did put like a swatch on my hands. I also like to do masks on my hands. I just discovered that that's a really great thing to do if you haven't ever tried it. I think our hands just need as much care as our faces. So, but this is the I Do Care, and this is an illuminating diamond peel off mask, and I kind of already dipped in it, but I haven't used it. But when I do, I will put a video up on my channel so you can check it out. But this is from the Ipsy Glam Bag, and this is from their Deluxe Diamond Bag Plus. So I'll just wipe a little bit, and this is what it looks like. And I'll see if it's gonna, if I can let it dry here while I'm talking. It takes about 20 minutes for it to dry, but it's supposed to peel off and give your skin a super rejuvenated look. So this is the I Do Care Disco Kitten Diamond Mask. So I'll do a review on this, and let's see what it's supposed to do here. Magic Crown Mask, illuminating diamond peel off. Doesn't really say too much about. It doesn't really say too much about what it's supposed to do per se, but I guess if you read the title, it's supposed to illuminate. So I guess it's a brightening mask. I'm all for the brightening as I start to push on into my 40s. So this is the second product, and I'll give this a go and let you guys know how it goes. Alright, but it's full-size mask. So that's 3 full-size products so far for $25. I know if you try to purchase this on your own. Actually, I'm going to put the link to Eyeko, because Eyeko is on Amazon Prime. Eyeko, this brand right here, is on Amazon Prime. I'm going to put the Amazon link to this eyeliner. This is a must-have for your beauty bag and makeup kit, especially if you like to wear a precise and sharp wing liner. So I'm going to put the Amazon link to this in the description box, so look out for that. I'm going to put the links to all this stuff in the description box, so don't worry about it. Just be sure to check the links and go through the links to purchase so you can get the discounts while we're at it. So the next thing here in the September Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is Illamasque Antimatter Lipstick, and it is in the shade Midnight. So okay, we get a full-size lipstick. So far we have an eyeshadow, a lip liner, a mask, and now a lipstick. So we're almost full face. The only thing we're missing is some foundation. So here is the color, and this is Midnight. Well, I don't know if this is a midnight shade, but this does let me know if I'm wearing this at midnight that the party doesn't start till I get there. And you know me, I love a bum red lipstick. So here is a Luminesque in Midnight, and I'll definitely give this a try. I'll wear this in a video. I'll probably do a look and put all these together and then circle back around and put these videos together. So this is the lipstick, and I'll go ahead and swatch it for you so you can see how it comes off. Color payoff. So that's the lipstick. We're not going to talk about how this eyeshadow is just showing up over here. Y'all see this purple and this gold? This is really showing up. We ain't going to talk about it, but that's this lipstick from Illamasque. can't wait to give that a try and put this in a video. Alright, so that's the Ipsy Glam Bag. Oh, so that was only 4. So one more. Okay, the next item in the Ipsy Glam Bag is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder from Ciate London. I'm very familiar with this brand. They also have awesome eyeshadow palettes that are super affordable as well. You can catch them in Ulta and also in Sephora. So let's see. This is Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And let's see. Another full-size bomb product that we can get the use of. And you might just get to see this mask too, because I think it's almost dry on my finger. Let's see. Alright, so here it is, full size. Let me see. Am I gonna open it? It looks like just some finely milled translucent powder. So I usually wear like a yellow powder, but I'll give this a try and see how it shows up in pictures. But I'll definitely keep it in my kit in case I come upon a lighter complected individual. Drop the top. Who can wear such shades? Okay, alright. So that was the September Glam Bag. I think it is definitely worth the $25. I'll say, because 4 out of 5 of these products I know for sure to use, and this is the mask. Let's see. Alright, so here it is. I'm just peeling off this little part of the mask. The diamond mask. I'm going to give it a go, especially on my hands. So, yep. This is a September Ipsy Glam Bag. I think all in all, it is worth the $25. Will I continue to subscribe to it? I'm not sure, because I was actually pretty cool with the $10 Glam Bag. But, hey, if you get 30 days worth of masking out of it and a full eyeshadow palette, I do think for $25 a month, this is a great way to build up your makeup bag if you're new to makeup. And also, if you want to be on makeup on a budget, $25 a month is actually pretty good. A pretty good budget, considering one could go into the makeup store or go online MAC and spend 50 to 100 to maybe 200 bucks. So the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, is it worth it if you are makeup on a budget? I definitely think so. But okay, that was my review on it. That's the September bag. I will do a couple videos extensively talking about each individual products as the month goes on, but I did want to let you know what was in there and what I thought so far. And that was it. And that's my review of Sunny Beauty. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. Don't forget, I have gone ahead and posted the links to all of the products in the description box, and also the link to sign up for Ipsy, the Ipsy subscription, if you are interested. Don't forget to click in the links. Also, like this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share. And that is it for me, a Sunny Beauty. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. If you don't do anything else today, stay beautiful and love one another.